Hi, guys. 5 days have passed since the last time we were here showing you the installation of the roof and the beginning of the installation of the frames. We expected to come here and show you only the completion of this work, but our team was much faster than we thought. So we already found the roof finished and all the windows installed. Unfortunately, we weren't able to show the installation process because of how fast the team worked, but you can see in the background that all the windows and doors are already installed. They really worked very quickly given the amount of work. Yes, we're using 33 Andersen 400 series windows here. These are double glazed windows that comply with the current building code. So they have a grille design with the grille between the two panes of glass. This provides much greater energy efficiency. We also have 3 sliding doors, a front door, a single door, and a double door in the garage. Today, our team has also started installing the siding on the back of the house, and we hope that tomorrow this will be another stage of our work completed. Tomorrow, we will also begin the electrical and plumbing work. So stay with us to check out the images below